Jesus, stop. As you know, Summer is very particular about her play toys. And these people offered to send me this smart interactive cat toy. And I told them that she probably wouldn't be interested in it, but they wanted to send it to me anyway, so here it is. So with minimal assembly, here it is. It's got a little remote control operator here. And we're going to give it a try, and we're giving it a try in the kitchen because all my hardwood floors are grooved, so this is the only place I can roll this without it getting caught. So it's charged up, we're going to turn it on and give it a try. Okay, I'm going to need to practice getting this thing going. Please, let's turn this thing off. Yeah, I don't think this is really for her, but other kitties might like it. Bye-bye.